So this is a problem which is based on velocity of electron. So now the question is, what's the velocity of electron in third Bohr orbit? Third means n is equal to 3 of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom means z is equal to 1. So we have a formula. Velocity of any electron in a given orbit is given by 2.19 into 10 power 6 into 10 power 6 z by n. Z by n. If we can do this, we get 2.19 into 10 power 6, z is 1 by n is equal to 3. So if we can do 2.19 divided by 3, we get 0.73. 0.73 into 10 power 6 meter per second. There is a small error in the options. All of them should be plus here. All of them should be plus. Therefore, the answer is option A.